I'm back with another video. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I have so much to share with you today. I hope you guys checked my last video out about my Christmas tree. Some great helpful tips for you if you're interested in decorating your Christmas tree this holiday season. Super exciting. So I will leave the link in the description box below for you to check that video out. So today, as you can see, it is a Dollar Tree haul and some other things that I have that I wanted to share with you. Y'all, the holidays are coming up. It's a lot going on. So, honey, we ain't balling like that. We need to save that money for some stuff, okay? So, I went to the dollar store and got some basic necessities and some things that I needed. And also, Bath & Body Works had a sale, too, that I wanted to share with you. So, if you are interested in this video, keep on watching. Alright, y'all. So, real quick. Let me tell y'all about this popcorn. This popcorn, honey, is life, okay? This is so good. All it's missing is some cheddar cheese popcorn. But my husband brought this popcorn from work. Apparently, it was like for a kid fundraiser. It's this right here. If y'all heard of this popcorn? Best popcorn ever. I'm telling you, this popcorn is so good. It's the caramel flavor. Honey, that thing is bomb. My sister's been smacking on it all day. If I had some cheddar popcorn with that, woo, child. Because I love the caramel and cheddar popcorn mix. So let's go ahead and talk about the Dollar Tree haul. You know, some of us is on a budget, honey. The holidays is approaching. It's a lot going on. We ain't got no money like that, so we need to make a trip to the Dollar Tree, okay? So I got some basic stuff. So I got this right here. These are some great containers. This is my second time getting these containers from the Dollar Tree. My aunt told me about them. These work wonders. Like, they ain't cheap. They don't melt. You know, they work really good and they're long lasting. So check those out, because in this household, honey, we always need some leftover containers. Honey, I got this cute little dish drying mat because our dishwasher isn't working. It's out of service. I'm like, really? Why you won't fall apart during the holidays? Okay, like, really though? So now we got somebody coming in next week to fix it. But in the meantime, I got this drying dish mat. Dry them dishes, honey, because we're gonna be busting them suds, hand washing them dishes. So I got some toothbrushes because for Thanksgiving, my mom and her boyfriend's coming over, and my brother and my sister-in-law is coming over, and they're spending the night. So we're gonna have fun. So, you know, I don't want nobody's hot breath in my house. So I got toothbrushes because people always want to be forgetting toothbrushes. So I got some toothbrushes. Then I got this little cute Scotch-Brite lint roller. It's just always good to have in the house. Also, we got dark furniture. I don't know if you can see this chair right here. We got some new dining furniture, which I'm excited about. And you know, dark attracts lint and all that. So I was like, you know what? We're going to be rolling with that. You get it? Rolling with that. Then I got this or whatever. This is how I know I'm getting old. Like, seriously. This is how you know you're getting old. Let me show you. So I got this book and this pen. Word find a large print, honey. I got a large print right here. This right here to keep me busy. This is how you know you getting old. You know, because when you watching TV during the commercial breaks, you know, you want something to do, something fun to challenge your mind and be looking for stuff and feeling smart. So I got this right here. And this pen is purple. It's so cute. Oh my God. That's how I know I'm getting old, because I got so excited off this old word puzzle book. Okay, so next I got this. Don't laugh at me. This old lady stuff, but I got this just in case. The flannel back tablecloth back in the day that grandma had. When you went over there after church and had you had dinner and stuff, she had that holiday flannel thing that go on the table. I got this just in case, because we got a really nice table, and I don't want no red wine, no spills, no nothing messing up my table, honey. So yes, we're gonna be working with this flannel back tablecloth. Then I got this or whatever. This is stupid. This is dumb. Why did I get this? So it's supposed to be for like your scalp or whatever. So I was like, ooh, that do feel good, boy. I told you. That do feel good. So I got this or whatever to be massaging my scalp or whatever to make it grow or whatever. And then during the holidays, I like to I have like a Thanksgiving one, and then I have a Christmas one. It's like a cute little bowl. So for Christmas, I have like a snowflake snowflake bowl shape. And I like to keep my candies in there during the holidays. I like to keep some candy like starting like October 1st. I got some mints. I love these mints for when your breath is hot. And I also got the what is this? The cookies and cream Oreo. The cookies and cream kisses. So I like to keep that in there so when people come over, they can get a little mint. Or if you want to rush, you just need something for your throat, you can do that. I got some gloves for cleaning because it's going to be a lot of cleaning this holiday, honey. Lots of cleaning, lots of cleaning. So I also ran out of my mirror stuff. And like to clean my mirror because we got a really tall mirror. And I got some, that's awesome window cleaner. So hopefully this works. This ain't like cheap. Hopefully this works really good. Because I just needed something to clean the mirrors, you know, because for some reason my husband, when he brushes teeth and all that and be flossing and all that, for some reason he likes to have a swimming party in front of the mirrors in the house. And I'm like, how you get water all the way, water and soap suds and all that all the way at the top of the mirror? Okay, so I just was like, you know what, we gotta keep doing something about this because I be cleaning these mirrors every week, yo, and I just like, what is going on? So hopefully this works like life. And then what else? I got some soap because we was running out of soap. I got this Palomave. Usually I was gonna get Ajax, but Ajax don't be having my back sometimes. That thing be watered down. But my mother-in-law loves Ajax. She loves Ajax. I got this Palomave Essential Clean and it's raspberry coconut. And I was like, ooh, raspberry coconut. So there's nothing else important though. I just got some you know, we were running out. Usually go to Walmart to get this, but I ain't had no time. Some paper towel rolls, Bounty paper towel rolls, and some napkins for the holidays. Because people love to waste some napkins and stuff. So I was like, we're going to work with that in the dollar store. So Bath and Body Works, my homegirl, she texted me and she was like, y'all, you know, on Bath and Body Works, they got a $2.50 sale on hand soaps. And I love Bath and Body Works hand soaps. They're like my favorite, #1. And lately I just haven't had the time to get over there, so I've been using some other hand soap. So when she told me that, I went today because today's the last day. So I got some really nice hand soap, Kitchen Mandarin for $2.50, Rosewater Ivy. Y'all, this is my favorite scent right here by Bath and Body Works. Rosewater Ivy. Yes, it's the best scent ever. And I got some other scents, Sleep Lavender Vanilla, Purely Clean, and yeah, Lavender Vanilla. So yeah, Bath and Body Works hand soaps are the best. I got the foam ones. Usually they have that other one, like the actual thick one, but sometimes I get stuck on in the sink. So the foam ones, you just wash it, runs down, done. Alright, so that's about it. The last thing I want to show you is that I've been loving so much is like my Holy Grail product. This is in the kitchen. This is a kitchen product. So this is the #1 Holy Grail product that all of you need to get if you don't have it. Thank me later if you don't have it. It is life-changing. It saves me so much time. It's wonderful. Like, oh my God, let me share it with you now. Can I get a drum roll? Okay, so right here. My bestie right here, yo. This is bestie. Are you ready? The Instapot. Ding, 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 ding. So when we moved into our house, our good friends sent us this as a housewarming gift because I've been wanting an Instapot. And they got the, what's her name? Ray, Pioneer Woman. They got the Pioneer Woman Instapot for us. And I'm telling you, this Instapot works miracles, okay? Sometimes when I'm coming home, I be in traffic and I be tired and I don't feel like be cooking, doing all that, nothing. So you just get some boneless chicken. I got some boneless chicken one day, just experimenting boneless chicken broth, onions, fresh garlic, potatoes. I chopped it up in pieces, string beans, and you know, seasoning, all that. Threw that in the Instapot. It cooked for like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. And it was done. Everything was moisturized. Everything tastes really good. Put that over some rice. Honey, I was living life. It was so good. So I've been really using this product so much. Like, I have a crock pot. I have an air fryer. But the Instapot is by far my favorite house kitchen cooking product. Whatever. Kitchen cooking tool. Whatever you use it. It is the best thing ever, guys. Like, this Instapot is life. So if you don't have one, the hype is real about the Instapots. So yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Don't forget to try to go to some kids fundraiser and get you the double good popcorn, because I'm telling y'all, this popcorn good, because I could tell when it's be some cheap popcorn. Because cheap popcorn, the difference with cheap popcorn is when you chewing on it and it be hard pieces all the time. I could just chew on this and it's regular popcorn. It's just like, it's good. You don't have no hard pieces and all that. So yeah, I think that's it. I just wanted to come on here and say hi to y'all and let y'all know about my little haul, dollar store haul, Bath and Body Works sale, and my Holy Grail product. So yeah, so if I'm not on here by the holidays, Thanksgiving, I will see you guys soon. Happy Thanksgiving to you guys. Have a wonderful time. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support, and I will see you guys next time, okay? Bye.